So YouTube, I shot an entire intro that involved me and drunk Nico and partially drunk Matt and a big plan of what we were gonna do today. And we were gonna get up in the morning and do this shit. Well, it is currently evening on Saturday. None of the things I talked about in that intro are going to happen, but I am gonna shoot a video here at Matt's house as soon as we get done eating. But it's not gonna be a knife video. So finally, for a channel that's listed as a gear review channel by a lot of the fucking, like if you look it up, it's a gear review channel. I'm actually gonna do a review of some gear. I'm gonna do a fire starter that was given to me, finally getting around to it, that was given to me at Blade Show West in Portland. We're gonna do the Fiber Light fire starter. We're gonna go do out here in Matt's yard, that way I don't set my house on fire. And we're gonna show how waterproof and stuff this is. I don't wanna waste a lot of kindling, so not gonna be a lot of fire starting, but we're gonna go through all the stuff that's in this. All right, guys, hold out, turn off your headphones, turn them down, because here comes the music. What we're gonna do, Churro, stop. What we're gonna do is, I'm gonna show you guys how this fire starter system works. Now, there's three things to it, so we'll take a look at it. There's a case, there's the actual kindling, there is a tinder shredder if you need it, and there's tinder in the thing with a, like a whistle and a mini ferro rod. This is Matt's dog, Churro. But the nice thing about this stuff is that the kindling that comes with it, with the kit, sure, stop it, tickles, is completely waterproof. And you can put it, actually we're gonna put it in a basin of water and start a fire with it. Now, I don't wanna do a lot with the kindling and use a bunch of kindling, but so we're gonna look at the elements here. I did not bring my tripod. I completely forgot my tripod, so I apologize if the angle's gonna be weird, so I'm outside his yard, we're gonna do this. I don't wanna let a fire in his house. So, we're gonna do this here in a second, but yeah, I'm gonna set you guys down and we get it lined up, probably front facing like this, at a little bit of a weird angle, and go through the elements that are in the kit. All right, guys. So the first thing in the kit is, like, it's attractive. You have a really well-made, handmade leather pouch with copper or brass, I think they're brass, little fittings, and it's nice, it's resilient. You can tell it's handmade, hand-stitched, so that's what you get. Then you get the actual kit, the fire kit. So it includes a Fire Light mini fire starter, I'm sorry, a Fiber Light fire starter with a mini ferro rod that has a whistle in it. So it comes sealed with this really nice rubber band. So inside the kit, you get the Churro. You get the mini ferro rod, which actually sparks really well. I've already tried it a couple times, which also has in it an emergency whistle if you're like lost in the woods. This is a tinder shredder if you need it. Like if you don't have any of the actual tinder, you take this and it's got some serrated areas here for scraping bark off a tree, and then almost like a cheese grater for you to grate the kindling across so that you can shred it like the actual tinder that comes in the kit. And like I said, this is a wax impregnated wood fiber that will just sit on top of water and it will burn. Like I'm gonna put it in a basin, I'm gonna wet it and then light it, and we can see like how it does. Matt is on the phone, so he's gonna film it for me when we do the actual fire starting. But yeah, so what you get, like I said, inside the mini ferro rod is a striker. And so let me see which side of this was the side that had, there we go, has the burr. And I mean, so watch out, Churro, for a small ferro rod, you get some pretty, yeah, there you go, sparks coming at you. So you get some pretty good sparks. So give me a couple minutes and we'll get everything set up and we'll film it.
Oh, you gave me a ready, set, go, so you didn't pull a Nico. Like Nico's like, oh, I'm already filming.
So like I said, the cool thing about this fire kit and they were showing it. You probably saw it in my Blade Show West video. This kindling is waterproof, so we're going to use that much. And I mean, this is going to be enough to. It's probably twice what I really need to show you guys. So we're going to put that on there. So wow, Matt, you're getting like macros and stuff. Hi,
Well,
Churro.
I mean, that stuff is pretty unique.
Yeah, so this is a basin full of water. Churro. So if you put it on, you can see it just sits on top, and it, like, I'm gonna clump it together, and I've pushed it under the water several times, and I'm gonna stick it back together here. So let's grab this fire rod. Now, I mean, I've used ferro rods and magnesium fire starters for years, camping and being in the military. But this one is unique because of the kindling that comes with it. And I know there's a lot of other ones that come with kindling, like the rods that are the impregnated and the chemical fire starters and stuff like that. But this is simply just wood and wax with a ferro rod. And if I get it on it, there we go. So that is sitting in a basin of water. It has been underwater, pushed down under the water several times, and it's burning. And it'll burn like this for a while. So, I mean, if it's gonna burn in a basin of water on the surface of it, imagine what it's gonna do, like, if you're putting it in an actual fire. And you know what? The other thing, it smells like a freaking candle. Can you smell it, Matt?
Mm-hmm.
It smells like a candle burning. And I mean, look at that. You're getting a really good fire. That's burning enough that if you were to put that in under some kindling, even in a wet environment, you would have a very good base for having a campfire. And I mean, it's burning hot too. So these kits are great. The guys that make them are great. If I remember right, John and his partner are both retired Marines. So, you know, it's all USA made. Fiberlight, it's got the US flag on it. It's all American made, veteran owned and operated, made in the USA, packaged and produced in Southern Oregon. The guys were great. And it's just a good product. I mean, the fact is too, like I said, it has an
Still
emergency-
burning.
Yeah, it's still burning. It'll burn for like 7 minutes on water, depending on how much of the kindling you use. And it didn't even burn all the kindling because some of the kindling got pushed off to the side. So, I mean, and if say you needed to put it out and you're doing this, you just. So, I mean, there's still a lot of kindling there that didn't even burn yet.
Yeah, you just recollect that and use
You
it.
could recollect that, put it back in your pack, let it, you wouldn't want to get too much water in it, but yeah, I mean, it's a really simple system. It works well. Like I said, pretty loud emergency whistle if you need it. And it's all a nice compact kit that you can put right in your, right in your kit, right in your camping bag. It's got a little belt loop. You can wear it on your belt. So yeah, guys, veteran owned and operated. Go support these guys. So last thing is, I apologize, there haven't been very many videos coming up. Matt can tell you the work that I'm doing right now is extremely exhausting. I'm burning about 5,300 calories a day. I showed Matt the actual calorie burning when I showed him my phone yesterday at the company Christmas party. He watched the activity ring on my iPhone just go like this. He's like, what the fuck? I've never seen that. So videos are going to be coming. I owed this video. We have another video Matt and I talked about putting up, but I don't know if I'm in a mood to do 2 videos. So it's been a matter of time. It's been a matter of content. Really haven't had a lot to do for content. And the other thing too is I just haven't felt like doing videos. You know, every once in a while I'll get into a period where I just don't feel like doing videos and there's a little delay. It's been a couple years since it happened. I think the last one was when my father died. This time it was just, it was nothing that precipitated it. It was just the fact that I just didn't feel like doing videos. So I do have a couple of videos to do. I have a Bob Terzuola full custom 75 for 75 that I'm gonna do a video about. It's one that Bob made 75 knives for his 75th birthday. Nico picked it up at the California Custom Show. It's a really cool knife. It's a unique design. I wanna do a video about that. Nico is gonna be selling that knife, so I'll probably get that video up. I may do it at home tomorrow. But I've got some other stuff. I've got that Mixed Strider full custom, the MSC that I picked up at the Cali Custom Show that I'm gonna sell, that I wanna do a video on. So there's just a bunch of stuff coming, and I have some other stuff that I wanna do videos about, just like gear and things like that. So guys, that's it. If you like the videos, give them a thumbs up. If you don't, give them a thumbs down, but try to tell me why, and then I will probably put stuff in the corners.
The new YouTube setup has made it more difficult for me to pin the things I want. Like I can get my, I can get my Patreon, I can get the, the subscribe link, and I can do some other stuff, but I can't seem to link the channels I want to link, like Ashton and Nehemiah. So that would be Another Knife Guy and Metal Effort. I've been having a real hard time getting that link set up to work. So there's that, and then I have a video of my daughter's ice skating that she did the other night at the Croc Center, which was amazing, that will be going up on her YouTube channel. So if you follow that, you should probably watch it. If not, you should go follow her. I will try to put a link to that down in here. That might be what it is a link to my daughter's skating channel. So love you guys. I'm sorry it's been so long since the last video. I think the last one was before Thanksgiving. But I will try to keep content up a little quicker now that I've gotten back into the mood of shooting videos. So take it easy. Have a good weekend. Love you. See you next time.